Hi everyone, it's me, Sarah, your teacher. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the assessments that we have in the history module. We've spent a couple of weeks studying different topics in the history module, including who decides what history is, what is history, civil disobedience, the civil rights movement, the Black Panther Party as primary sources. And in addition, we also have read 60 pages and prayers for the stolen. So we have done quite a lot so far. So now it's time to move into our assessment phase. And to do this, you're going to have three tests. I'm pointing them out here for you. The history comprehension test, the vocabulary test, and the prayers for the stolen quiz. You will need to download first Respondus Lockdown Browser. You will be taking the test in Respondus Lockdown Browser. So you will not go in through Blackboard, and I'm going to show you. So first, you can open the instructions and click here to access the program. It will take you through a series of steps, and you will follow these steps to download it onto your computer. Once you have done that, you will notice on your desktop that you now have an icon called Lockdown Browser. This is what you will open to take the test. I can't open it now myself because if I do, I will be kicked out of the screencast because when you are in Lockdown Browser, you cannot have anything else open. So, but you will open it, and when you open it, what you're going to see is your Blackboard section, and you're going to log in just like you were to log into Blackboard, and then come to your ESOL 054 class and go to your assessments. There is a practice test that has one question. It's very easy, but I recommend that you take the practice test first, just so you get used to using Respondus Lockdown Browser. Next, we have the history module test. Please make sure that you have read the Tulsa race riots before you start the exam. The exams are timed. The history comprehension is 2 hours. The password is rainbow. The vocabulary exam has the vocabulary from the history module, including the vocabulary that you all picked out from the Black Panther Party reading. The password is ice cream, and you have 2 hours. Prayers for the Stolen, pages 1 through 60. The password is prayers. Time limit is 1 hour. So for all of these, remember, you will go in through Lockdown Browser to take the test. This will take you to your Blackboard course. And once you are in there, you will be able to take the test. I recommend that you pace yourself. Don't try to take all the tests at one time. And also, please make sure when you're taking the test that you have 2 hours to finish it. After the 2 hours are up, the test will automatically close. So I wish you the best of luck on all of these, although you've worked really hard, so I think you'll do well. And if you have any questions, please let me know.